Today I am going to make it a sky level buildings with the using 1 point. Here is our 1 point. We are going to use this as a skyscraper where you are going where a lot of buildings are there and you are looking at the sky. Here one line, one more line, one more line. You have to make it 3 lines passing to this corner of the edges of the paper. Now few on this corner, 3 on this corner, 3 on this corner, 3 on this corner, 3 on this corner. You have to take it 3 points. If you want to make it here, you can also make it here 3 lines, 3 lines here, 3 lines here. Now my 3 lines is ready. Now I am going to make it, this is called 1 point. It's a vanishing point and I am going to make it a skyscraper. मतलब जो लंबी लंबी बिल्डिंग्स होती है और अब अगर आप नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ देखते हो तो कैसे दिखता है, दैट पॉइंट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब राइट नाउ. सो दिस इज my building. I'm showing the building how I'm going to make it by using slipping line, standing line. Here one slanting line, one slanting line. Here one more standing line, slipping line. Here one more standing line, slipping line. Here one more standing, slipping. This is my top base where terrace lies. Now I am going to make it a multi-stores buildings there. Here again slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, slipping, standing. Same here, slanting, it should be in the same position. If you are doing slanting, if you are doing slipping, then you have to continue with slipping. If you are doing slanting, slanting, you have to make it equal positions. Go it till downside. Same thing here, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing. Same thing here, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping. This will be an empty space where I am going to rub it these lines. This is my sky level and this is my building level which is rising up towards sky. Now again these are the stores where I am going to show it by using slipping line and slanting lines. These are the stores. Now this portion will be got rubbed. Now few lines inside, light to show the glass of the building. Same thing here. Make it slowly. If you are not fine with your lines, you can use your scale. And if you are using your dark pencil, please take care about the lines. Here my 4 buildings are ready with my fabrications. Lot of buildings are covered with this type of fabrications. Now I am going to rub it a center point, rub it carefully. If you want to show some tower kind of thing, yes, you can make it like this. There. If you want to make it a simple more storage building on upside, you can make it like this. If you want to make it a curve building, you can turn it all the lines as a curve. You can turn it like this as a curve. If you want to turn it this building as a tower, there is our tower. At the center, one clock. If you want to make it this as a simple building, yes, with the fabrications our simple building is done. This is all a center building which is using from one vanishing point. Here is your skyscraper buildings. Enjoy it. Take care.